Hello, I am Amna and today I am discussing about the LinkedIn for e-commerce, features and strategies. While LinkedIn is primarily seen as a professional networking platform, its expanding tools and audience reach can offer the unexpected advantages for the e-commerce businesses, especially those in the B2B sector or those targeting professionals. Key features and functionality. Profiles and company pages. Personal profiles represent individuals while company pages represented the businesses. E-commerce businesses can use the company pages to showcase their brand, products and updates. Posts and articles. Share updates, news, promotions or longer form articles directly from your profile or a company page. LinkedIn ads, a suite of advertising tools including the sponsored content, sponsored email and a display ads which can be targeted based on factors like job title, company, industry and much more. LinkedIn Analytics provides insights on the company page performance, audience demographics and engagement metrics. Recommendations and endorsements. Users can vouch for a company's products or services, lending the credibility. Groups, communities centered around specific industries, interests or topics. Joining or creating the relevant groups can help businesses engage with a niche audience. LinkedIn in Stories. Temporary content that allows the brands to share the moments and updates in a more casual, ephemeral format. SlideShare, a platform integrated with the LinkedIn for sharing the presentations, infographics and the other visual content. LinkedIn Events. Plan, announce and invite people to virtual or in-person events. Strategies for e-commerce. Position as an industry thought leader. Share the insightful articles, industry news and trends. Establishing your e-commerce brands as a knowledgeable leader can build the trust and authority. Networking. Connect with the other e-commerce businesses, suppliers and industry professionals. Build the relationships that can lead to the partnerships, collaborations or referrals. Targeted advertising. Use LinkedIn's detailed targeting options to reach the decision makers in companies if you are in the B2B space. Engage in groups. Participate in the relevant discussions, answer queries and occasionally promote your products without being overly salesy. Leverage testimonials. Encourage satisfied B2B customers to leave their recommendations on your LinkedIn profile. These act as trusted endorsements. Host webinars or events. Use LinkedIn events to promote webinars that educate potential clients about your product or industry trends. Utilize the SlideShare. Share detailed product guides, industry insights or customer stories through visually appealing presentations. Highlight company culture. Showcase behind the scenes looks, team introductions and company events. It humanizes your brand and can attract potential employees. Collaborate with the influencers. Partner with industry experts or influencers on LinkedIn to co-create the content or host discussions. Analyze and iterate. Regularly review the LinkedIn analytics to understand what content or strategy work best. Adjust your approach for the better engagement. If I conclude that all, I would say while LinkedIn might not be the first platform that comes to mind for e-commerce, its professional user base and industry-focused features offer the unique opportunities. E-commerce businesses, particularly in the B2B sector, can leverage the LinkedIn for networking, brand building and targeted marketing to achieve this success. Thank you very much for listening to us and we'll see you tomorrow with the new video.